As you know, we have started a series on fruit benefits and their impact on our health. In today's video, we talk about oranges and the benefits of their juice. We will also discuss the impacts on our health if consumed in excess. Orange juice is a popular beverage enjoyed for its refreshing taste and potential health benefits. It contains vitamin C, potassium, and other essential vitamins and minerals. Freshly squeezed juice provides natural sugar and fiber. It contains a variety of antioxidants that may protect cells from damage. It is acidic due to citric acid. High vitamin C content may help boost immunity and fight off infection. Potassium and antioxidants may contribute to improved blood pressure and reduced risk of heart disease. Fiber in oranges may aid digestion. Some research suggests orange juice may help prevent kidney stones due to its citrate content. Now, we will talk about some disadvantages of orange juice. It is naturally high in sugar, and excessive sugar intake is linked to various health concerns, especially for diabetic patients. It can be part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation.